Changing your primary email on PayMaya is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address efficiently. Step 1. Open the PayMaya app. Launch the PayMaya application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Once you are in the app, navigate to the Profile section. This is usually found in the menu or settings icon where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Select email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter new email. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure that the email is entered correctly. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow any instructions provided in that email to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on PayMaya will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PayMaya customer support for assistance.